When adjusting the position of things on the ruler, you can use the Alt key to get very precise in your adjustments. Just hold down the key as you drag items with the mouse, and you can immediately see what is happening. You already know that you can precisely adjust items by using the various dialog boxes the Word makes available. For instance, you can precisely adjust tab settings by using the Tabs dialog box. There are times, however, when you may want to do some precise formatting using the mouse instead of pulling up a dialog box. So there's another way to get the precision that you want using the formatting elements, including margins, indent markers, and tabs, on the ruler. You can see the ruler underneath the tabs on the ribbon up here and above the document itself. In fact, if I hover the mouse pointer over this, you can see that this up here is first line indent. That's what that marker means. And this one is left indent for the paragraph. Over here at the right side, you can see that there's one that if I hover over it, it says right indent. That's what these various markers do. If I want to use precision positioning of these elements or any tabs that may be shown on the ribbon, all I have to do is click within the paragraph that I want, and then I hover over, let's say the left indent marker here, and I'm going to hold down the Alt key as I drag that. Now notice when I do that, it shows very precise measurements for where that marker is. You can see that I have a 1-inch margin, and now I've set this left indent to be 1.03 inches, and I drag it a little bit more. It's 1.04, 1.06, and so on. I can get it to 1/100th of an inch just by holding down that Alt key as I do my dragging. When I get it to where I want it to be, then all I have to do is release the mouse button, and that's where that element remains. Now, another way to do this exact same thing without having to press the Alt key is to just hover over the item that you want and hold down both the left and right mouse buttons at the same time. And now as you drag, you can see that you have the same precise indicators of what your indents are for that particular item that you're dragging. When I release the mouse buttons, then that's where that element stays within the ruler. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.